Hi, I'm Cade Harris, owner and inventor of the original keyless handle, RVLock. Welcome to the family. Today we'll be installing the compact handle.
The compact fits most towable trailers, similar to the V4. This handle features a slimmed down design for installing onto doors with less space between the edge of the door and the existing window. This sleek handle weighs 25% lighter than the V4. With your door in the open position, remove the screws on the back plate and striker plate of your handle. Then, remove your mechanical handle. Clean any residue or dirt from your door. Carefully feed the compact's wiring through your door, followed by the front portion of your handle. Slide securely into place. Attach the new striker plate included with your handle. Connect the back plate to the front. Gently tuck away any wires into the existing opening. Then align your deadbolt. Once aligned, secure the back plate with the 4 included screws. Do not use a drill and be sure not to over-tighten. Verify that the interior deadbolt lock actuates. If there is friction or your lever does not actuate, then adjust the alignment. Remove the existing jam plate and install the new jam plate that's included with your handle. You may need to adjust the jam plate by moving it horizontally to align it with your door and ensure it closes securely. Turn the switch to on to program your remote fob. To program your fob, use a pin and press the Learn button on the back plate. Then, press the lock button on your fob until the deadbolt responds. The default code for your lock is 1234. To program your new key code, press and hold the 8 button, then press the lock button. Release both at the same time. Enter the default code 1234, then press the lock button. Now enter your new code followed by the lock button, and again enter your new code followed by the lock button. This will complete programming. To reset the default code, simply hold the code reset button on the back for about 5 seconds or until the handle responds. Hold the lock button to engage the quick lock feature. To silence your handle, press and hold the 1 button. Repeat to turn sounds back on. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the compact keyless handle.